video makers, have you ever been annoyed by frame drops when making slow motion videos? Have your carefully crafted videos lost their smoothness? Don't worry, today I will bring you a solution. I'm going to show you two powerful AI software, Topaz and Unifab, which can intelligently analyze your video content and insert extra frames when slowing down to eliminate jitter and discontinuity. First, enter Unifab, open the software and select Smoother. Then just drag and import the video you want to upgrade. Next, adjust the video parameters and select the mode you want to adjust. We chose to increase the video to 120 frames per second. Here you can adjust these two buttons to adjust the video crop and audio, as well as the preview function. Finally, export the video and click Start. You can see that Unifab's export speed is very fast. Next, let's enter Topaz to operate. We open the software. Here is the start interface of Topaz. First, import the video. On the right side of the software is a list of all the functions. We click on Frame Interpolation, and we can see that there are 5 models for us to choose from. On the right side of each model, there is a brief overview of the model's functions. We choose the basic Apollo model. Select 120 frames per second for frame interpolation and keep other parameters as default. On the left side of the software, you can crop, trim, and preview the video. You can set it according to your preferences. Finally, we click Export. You can see that Topaz's processing speed is also very fast. Let's take a look at the final effect comparison. It can be seen that the two softwares have significantly improved the frame rate of the video through AI technology, and the smoothness of the video has been significantly improved after slowing down. In terms of artifact processing, both softwares have also shown strong expressiveness. However, in terms of details, Unifab's AI-generated frames are better. From the generated basketball effect, Unifab's basketball is obviously more complete and has fewer generated artifacts. So which software do you prefer? If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.